Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for federal grants that don't require repayment, follow these step-by-step instructions to find and apply for legitimate grant opportunities. Step 1. Visit Grants.gov, the official federal government website for finding and applying for grants. Be wary of websites charging fees or promising guaranteed grants, as these are often scams. Step 2. Search for grants relevant to your needs using keywords, funding agency, or category filters. Read eligibility requirements carefully, as federal grants are typically for organizations, not individuals, except for specific programs like student aid. Step 3. Create an account on Grants.gov if you're applying on behalf of an organization. You'll need to register your organization and obtain necessary credentials like a DUNS number and SAM registration. Step 4. Review the funding opportunity announcement thoroughly, paying close attention to eligibility criteria, application deadlines, required documents, and evaluation criteria. Step 5. Download the application package and carefully read all instructions. Federal grant applications require significant detail and specific formatting. Step 6. Develop your grant proposal according to the guidelines, including a clear project description, budget narrative, organizational capacity information, and measurable outcomes.